everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, focus on connection, not perfection. Imagine that you are talking to one friendly person, not a lens. Smile lightly. It instantly makes your voice warmer and more confident. Remember, people care about your message than tiny mistakes. Isipin mo na lang na nakipag-usap ka sa isang mabait na tao at hindi sa harap ng kamera. Magpakita ng bahagyang ngiti para mas magaan at tiwala ang tono ng boses mo. Tandaan, mas mahalaga sa mga tao ang mensahe mo kaysa maliit na pagkakamali. Thank you so much for spending time for me today. Until next time. Bye!